Muthia kamiti ya wuiguano nineanire riboti yayo kuri President William Ruto na mutongoria wa AZIMIO Raila Odinga. Na riu gibarua kirorereirio kuri mbunge cieri gutigirira mendekithia maria mari thiini wa riboti ino ni marutithio wira, no niguo ukinyanirio undu uyu na thibindi iria ingiriririo atongoria ya ni moritie ambunge kugia na unyitaniri ona thengia wa gukorwo mari amiaho ngurani ya kiuteti.
Sometimes Parliament pushes back and say they have a mind of their own, and they tell us that they are an independent house and we should not give them lectures. And I run into that all the time. But I'm sure this time round, knowing the magnitude of what we want to do, I want to ask members of Parliament to really consider working with us on this subject.
I therefore urge parliamentary leadership of the two coalitions, Honorable Chungwa and Honorable Wandai, to demonstrate patriotism, provide real leadership, and see the next critical steps in this process to a required and speedy conclusion.
Ica ikuhe mbunge cieri ni ciirigite kuyukia riboti ino cikaro-ini ciacio na ni guthondeketwo mitaratara itanyiire kenda ya watho iria iguteithiriria gukinyaniria mendekithia matiganite ma riboti ino.
It was the case with the process. This document has enemies from reactionary forces across the political divide, inside and outside Parliament. It requires vigilance.
Maundu matano ni mo kamiti ino ya ikarire thi mwaka muthiru niguo kunina ndugamano ya kiuteti hamwe na mwari ni ngarama ya iguru ya muturire, mutaratara wa ithurano guku bururi-ini, gukuruhania maundu matiganite watho-ini hamwe na gwetha njira ya gutigirira wiyathi wa ciama cia kiuteti. Na atongoria moigite ati kugerera mendekithia ma riboti ino ni kuri na utheri wa gukinyaniria maundu maya riu.
These are significant reform mileages that, if implemented, can help strengthen our governance and electoral processes and safeguard our continuing quest to make Kenya a functioning democracy.
We never agreed on a very important subject as far as AZIMIO was concerned, and that was on the high cost of living.
And the few issues that we could not agree on, Your Excellency, as you will read in the report, there are issues that we referred to yourself and to His Excellency the President.
This time round, I think we have an opportunity to make sure that we deliver on this constitutional imperative.
Atongoria ya eri mamukirire riboti ino riri nderetie igie igeria ria Raila gutuika muikariri gitu wa kanjo ya urumwe wa gitaro kia Africa AU ikoretwo igithie na mbere, na President Ruto augite ati riu atongoria ya mabururi ma Africa irathiro ni metikanirie ati Raila niwe ukurugamirira gitaro giki, na ningi akauga ati gukorwo thirikari ikinyita Raila mbaru gutibatie gutaurwo ta kwina kumbikanira kiiho kiuteti.
There is politics and we have a nation. And when there are issues that concern Kenya as a nation, we must close ranks as communities, as parties, as sides, so that we can all move together.
Hadu ine Kameme TV, retore ya kwa nikimani wa GUKIGIRIA.